Got awful busy yesterday. Got a bunch of our timbers all routed out. And we got one of our gates pulled up and out of here. So, gotta pound those bolts up. Brought the air chisel today. That should put the pin bit right on those and take them out. We'll use a little air power, but we're gonna replace the bottom two timbers here, and figured out exactly why I was having such a hard time stopping the water. The big old cavity coming through that one. So, change out this bottom couple stop logs. Think about cutting a piece of plastic to put on the gate face. Lessen the resistance of that wood against the concrete. Maybe help it slide a little bit. But we got to get the logs in first, so as today's, we're going to get it set down on this beam and get it pinned down so it can't move. Change out these bottom couple of logs, and oh yeah, we had to open up the roof. Somebody had done it before, so the pathway was lit. Got these other two down yesterday, all chiseled out. They didn't freeze back in last night. That's the first time in a while that we've actually not had to chisel ice from the overnight. So that means maybe I can get a couple more of my sump pumps that were frozen in the slush here. Oh, got two left down in there. So I'd like to have those back. Looks just like that one. Big trailer, she rides a lot better with the new springs. The temporary fender fix. Nice piece of tin from the old woolen mill. Perfect. Makes us legal. Our big oil-fired heater. Had to put a little dry gas in it the other evening. Wound up frozen up. But we've had some warmer temps. That sucker's going right along pretty decent. Making some heat. So, and we got about 50 degrees in here. So, soon enough, I'm going to be popping that draft tube back off.